It's been a difficult year for the King, but today from the palace, a more positive picture, a personal moment with the Queen celebrating 19 years of marriage. This new image shared with news the King can return to public work. We had a hint at Easter when the King met the crowds in Windsor, his first public outing since news of his cancer diagnosis. The moment clearly meant a lot. And although the King's treatment will continue, his medical team are reportedly very encouraged by the progress. And that, say experts, is a good sign.
When you're having cancer treatment, I think there's three ways in which doctors can normally assess how well that treatment's going: how the patient is feeling, blood tests and scans. How someone's feeling is really important, because if someone's feeling well and is up to doing activities, we know that's part of keeping them well, and we know that's a good sign that their treatment is working.
This was the King's last public appearance before his cancer diagnosis, Christmas Day at Sandringham with his family. Weeks later, after a prostate procedure in hospital, doctors discovered he had cancer. The public work paused as he started treatment. Behind the scenes, though, official business continued.
Good evening, Your Majesties.
The King keen to be seen, holding audiences and private meetings.
They're very well designed, I must say.
Most recently inspecting the new notes, which now bear his face. Other senior royals have been supporting him throughout his treatment, all stepping up to share the duties. But it's been a period of huge uncertainty for the family, with the Princess of Wales also off work while she undergoes chemotherapy for cancer. The King's engagements, we're told, will be adapted, and although it's not a full return to work, he will host a state visit from the Emperor and Empress of Japan. As for other set-piece events, including Trooping the Colour and overseas trips, nothing's yet confirmed.
The official line from the palace is the King is greatly encouraged by this news. But speak to his team and they will tell you he is over the moon, chomping at the bit to get back to work. But there is a delicate balance. This is, of course, good news, but we are reminded it is not yet the all clear.
The 50% role of his task as sovereign is to be out and about and playing his part in national life. And that being prevented to him has been aggravating. And he's a person who likes to be active, likes to be doing what he's challenged most to do. And I think that for him, his reign has had such a false start because cancer got in the way.
The King's return to public duties will have a personal poignancy. His first visit next week to a cancer treatment centre. Laura Bundock, Sky News.